Your Excellency Dr. William Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya, Commander-in-Chief of the Kenya Defence Forces, and Chancellor of the National Defence University, Kenya, the Governor of Nakuru County, my colleague, Cabinet Secretary for Education, the Chief of Defence Forces, the Principal Secretary of the Ministry of Defence, my sister, and the Member of Parliament for this area, Bahati constituency, Mheshimiwa Irene, members of the Defence and Foreign Relations Committee present here, Vice Chief of Defence Forces, service commanders, members of the University Council, Vice Chancellor, National Defence University, other Vice Chancellors present, Deputy Vice Chancellors, Commandants, Principals and Directors of the University Colleges, representatives of our friends and allied defense attaches present here, members of the University Senate, members of the Diplomatic Corps, distinguished guests, graduates, ladies and gentlemen. Your Excellency, I stand before you and this congregation full of excitement and with a deep sense of achievement as we mark the first graduation of our premier institution of higher learning, National Defence University, Kenya. Allow me, sir, at this juncture, to congratulate our graduates and wish them well as they step out to serve their respective countries and institutions. Your Excellency, National Defence University, Kenya is a key enabler to the accomplishment of the mandate of our ministry. The university, through its 6 colleges and 1 constituent college, plays a critical role in developing capacity of strategic thinkers and implementers to support the development of sound policies and strategies, as well as offer practical innovative solutions to address our security challenges and contribute to our national development. Therefore, Your Excellency, today's graduation is a key milestone in this journey. Your Excellency, this institution is also a platform for multidisciplinary dialogue which aims at finding solutions to contemporary and emerging challenges globally. And I'm pleased to inform you, sir, that on October 26th this year, the university hosted a very successful symposium, which I attended together with my colleague, Mr. Duale, Cabinet Secretary for Information, Communication and Digital Economy. The symposium on cybersecurity brought together over 500 in-person and online participants to discuss ways to curb threats in the cyberspace and leverage the opportunity therein for national development.